If you're still waiting for the right time to change your life, you might be waiting, seriously, forever. This is your wake-up call. Most people were taught the same thing: work hard, be loyal, retire at 65, but that world is gone. Today we're working more for less. Retirement savings are vanishing, and millions are barely staying afloat, even after doing everything right. So, if you've been feeling stuck, it's not your fault. The system wasn't built to give you freedom. It was built to keep you functioning. Let me say this plainly. If you want a new outcome, you need a new system. I've spent the last year testing something different, something simple. I found a step-by-step blueprint that people are using right now to build flexible income online with zero tech skills like me, zero recruiting, and no burnout. I work part-time from home, and I'm building real momentum, slow and steady, with mentorship and automation. I'm not making six figures yet, but I know I'm no longer going backwards. And that's more than I could say before. The results I've seen from others, people earning $300, $600, and even $900 a day all at once from their phone in under 2 hours without chasing anyone ever. And they're not influencers or salespeople. They're parents, grandparents, burnt out workers, people like you and me. So, if you've been watching from the sidelines, here's what to do. Put in your email at hollypringdailypay.com. Watch 2 very short videos. You'll see exactly how it works in depth. Then email me when you do. I'll reply personally and even give you a peek inside our real community, so you don't have to decide blindly. Don't sit on this. This is simple, ethical, and flexible, and yes, real. Subscribe if you want more truth, or comment, ready, and let's talk. You're not too old and you're not too late, but time won't wait for you to decide.